Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. My name is Max from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. In today's brief tutorial, we are going to learn how to install the Mu code editor. Alright, let's get started. So first off, a code editor is a program where you would write your text-based programs and then save them to run later or run them within the editor itself. Python is a text-based programming language used for all sorts of things, from artificial intelligence to data science. We'll mostly be using it for making fun games or small text-based programs. And so the plan for today is to install the Mu code editor so that we have it ready for whenever we do a Tinkershop or other program that uses the Python programming language. To get the Mu code editor, head to codewith.mu in your favorite web browser. That'll bring you to a page that most likely looks just like this. When you hit the download button, it'll take you to the download page where you get to start making some decisions. If you have a Windows-based computer, you would probably want the Windows installer, which you will either choose the 32 or 64-bit version. Most Windows installations and computers these days are 64-bit, so you're probably safe there. You download that 64-bit version and save that file. Then we can just follow along the instructions here. So yes, how to install on Windows. Step 1, download the Mu installer, way ahead of you. To run the installer, head to your downloads folder or wherever you happen to download your software. Then double-click on the installer to run it. So double-click on the installer. Yes, this is software from the internet. Different operating systems handle that in different ways. On Windows 7, you will probably be asked if it's okay to run this software from an unknown publisher. On Windows 10, you might see a dialog like this, where you just have to click More Info and then see that you want to run the software anyway. After doing so, the installer will begin. You can press the Next button to get started. The license agreement page is asking you if you agree to the terms of the open source software license, which should be fine. You can press I agree. On Windows, you get to choose if this is installed for everyone on the computer or for just one person. That's up to you. You can make that call to sit next once you've made your selection. The next step is choosing the install location. In most cases, the default destination that shows there should be adequate. Just press install and get rolling. So yes, it will install. Sure, go make a cup of coffee, let it do its thing. Once it's done, click finish, and then you can start Mu by clicking on the icon in the start menu. Those are the instructions for Windows. If you have a Mac operating system, the instructions are more or less the same, though of course have their own steps. All starts with downloading the software, of course. Save that file. And then in a similar way, let's take a look at some instructions. In most cases though, let's just download that installer, again, way ahead of you, and then open the installer by going to your downloads folder in the Finder program. So open up your Finder, head to downloads, however you please. Double-click the Mu installer disk image in the downloads folder. When you open the installer, yes, you'll be asked to accept the software license agreement again. And then your computer will verify that the package is not corrupted, which might take a moment or two. Finally, you can click and drag the Mu icon into the applications folder. That'll begin to install the software. Using your Finder, the macOS Finder, go to the applications folder. And the first time you do it, press the Control button and then click on the Mu icon. And then you'll see the following dialog box after you click on the word open in the Control click menu. So you will be asked if you want to confirm that you're installing software you downloaded from the internet. And then macOS will install the software after it or open the software after it verifies the package one more time. The next time you want to launch the Mu software, just double-click on that Mu icon, and it'll be just fine. Once you do all of that, or however you get there, whatever computer you have, eventually you'll end up with the Mu software installed. This is what it looks like on first open. Probably it'll show the mode screen the first time you open it up. we're going to do a quick test with Python 3. And the whole reason for using the Moo code editor is really this. In the one editor, you can create code, text-based code in the Python 3 programming language. You can use Python to make games. You can connect it to the microbit and upload code directly there, all in one interface. So yes, of course, installing software always comes with some hurdles, but once you have this software installed, we have a complete Python environment ready to go and ready to make code, which is pretty good. So let's open up Python 3, or the Python 3 mode, which is here. We're going to do a quick little test to make sure everything works properly. We're going to print, oh, I don't know, hello world, the most common thing we do when we first install or first start a programming language. A few extra exclamation points in there. So print hello world. Let's click the run button. After I click run, yes, it wants me to save it somewhere, which makes sense. We don't want a bunch of half-finished code there with nowhere to run it from. So we're going to save that into the default Moo code directory. We'll run our program, hello world, great. So we know it works, but let's just make real sure. Let's make it a little more exciting. Let's just print that out, oh, I don't know, 10,000 times? 100,000 times? Sure. So run that. Oh, good, lucky us. So that's it. That's installing and testing out the Moo code editor. Thank you for watching and joining us. My name is Max from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. I hope we get to use this software for more tutorials in the future. Thanks again for watching.